Bonick Landscaping is Dallas's premier award-winning residential landscaping company, and we are looking for a new production manager. As a production manager, you will lead a team into creating some of the most magnificent outdoor environments. You will manage a team procuring material, producing work orders, scheduling crews, and coordinating subcontractors.
What I love about working for Bonick is that we all perform at very high levels.
Working closely with our garden and project managers, you will assign and track work crew assignments and oversee nursery and yard organization.
You know what I love about Bonick Landscaping is the detail work that we do. It's not a slam it in, move on to the next. You know, there's always a lot of detail that takes some time, but also it's something you're proud of when you walk away from a project.
Interested applicants must have strong communication, computer, leadership, and time management skills. Preferred requirements include an associate's degree or higher and experience with Microsoft Office, Microsoft Project, and asset program software.
Bonick, when hiring for project managers, I'm looking all the time for people that have passion to detail, passion to the landscape, outdoors environment. It needs to be very organized, all the time looking for be better on what you do.
It's really, landscaping for Bonick isn't just digging ditches and digging holes. It's the whole complete package of a landscape. And the more that you know about every aspect of that, the better team member you'll be.
Become a production manager. Apply today.